Mind Video AI is a platform that allows you to generate videos from text and from images, and also offers AI video effects and lip sync solutions. If this is your first time here, my name is JI, and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So I'm going to dive right into this here, and what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to say I want to create a video of a let's say of a man at a water park sliding down a giant water slide, laughing and splashing, with the sun shining bright above and kids running around the water park. Cool, so let's go with something like that. I'm gonna get AI to actually improve this prompt as well. Yeah, so what I'll do is I'll copy this and I'll paste it here, and then I'll click generate, and then we should get a better prompt. So I'll just copy this, I'll paste that in here. I'll leave it at 480 because if I go to 1080p, that will be 40 credits, and I've only got 27 here. Although, yeah, I can always check in daily and get more credits, so that's something you can do as well. I'll leave the aspect ratio at 16:9. And yeah, we're gonna roll with this. It's gonna be 5 seconds, and let's see what we get. Okay, cool. So this generation is currently in a queue. It's telling us estimated waiting time is just a few seconds. Let's see exactly how good this image generator actually is. So the prompt we got in the end was capture a lively water park scene featuring a man sliding down a giant water slide. Start with a wide shot of the sun shining bright above, kids running joyfully around the park. As the man begins his descent, smoothly zoom into a close-up of his laughing face, follow his movement with a tracking shot capturing water splashing vividly. End with a slow motion splash as he hits the pool, emphasizing the vibrant, fun atmosphere with natural sunlight highlighting the scene. Okay, great. So yeah, this was actually improved for us by the AI prompter within Mind Video, which is quite useful. Now let's see how this video actually turns out.
I'm actually pleased to announce I've launched one of my first digital products, which is a 7-day prompting ebook. I've called it Perfecting Prompts, and it's essentially a 7-day crash course on how you can improve your prompting so that you can supercharge your productivity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link to Perfecting Prompts below. I put in a lot of work into it, and in there I actually include some frameworks that I teach to global corporations. Definitely check it out.
Okay, cool. I mean, the motion at the start doesn't look completely realistic, just for the first like second or so. But for the most part, this actually makes sense, and this actually kind of works. Yeah, this is a cool little video you could use as part of like a snippet or B-roll in between some other footage. And then you can also upscale it. You can add an AI lip sync or some AI sound. So yeah, definitely check this out if you think it would be useful for you. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you subscribe. And if you'd like to talk to me, then head over to Jay's Instagram, where you can chat to ChatJPT, which is essentially ChatGPT combined with my way of thinking, speaking, and seeing the world. So if you like these videos, then you'll definitely enjoy having a chat with ChatJPT. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.